Subscribe for more content.
Welcome to the Emirates, a tapestry of wonders. The United Arab Emirates, a constellation of 7 emirates, beckons travelers with its captivating blend of modernity and tradition. Each emirate, from the bustling metropolis of Dubai to the cultural heart of Sharjah, offers a unique glimpse into the rich tapestry of this nation. From towering skyscrapers that touch the sky to ancient forts that whisper tales of the past, from bustling souks filled with vibrant colors and scents to serene deserts that stretch endlessly, the UAE promises an unforgettable journey for every kind of adventurer. Prepare to be amazed by a country that seamlessly blends the past and the future. The UAE is a place where innovation meets tradition, creating a unique and harmonious balance. Each emirate possesses a unique character, offering a diverse range of experiences. Abu Dhabi, with its majestic mosques and modern marvels, contrasts beautifully with the serene beaches of Ajman and the rugged mountains of Ras Al Khaimah. Whether you crave the excitement of city life, the tranquility of nature, or the allure of cultural immersion, the UAE has something to offer everyone. Explore the vibrant nightlife of Dubai, the breathtaking landscapes of Hatta, the rich cultural heritage of Sharjah, and the lush oasis of Al Ain. The warmth of the Arabian hospitality will make you feel welcome from the moment you arrive. Experience the traditional Arabic coffee ceremony and the genuine smiles of the locals, making you feel at home in this enchanting land. Get ready to explore a land of contrasts, where towering skyscrapers cast long shadows over ancient deserts, and where the modern world meets timeless traditions. In the bustling spice souks, the scent of exotic spices mingles with the salty air of the Arabian Gulf, creating an atmosphere that is both invigorating and nostalgic. Embark on a journey that will awaken your senses and leave you with memories to cherish. Ride camels across golden dunes, savor traditional Emirati cuisine, and watch the sunset over the iconic Dubai skyline. The UAE awaits you with open arms and endless wonders. Abu Dhabi, the island capital. Abu Dhabi, the capital of the UAE, is an enchanting island city that seamlessly blends modern marvels with rich cultural heritage. This city is a vibrant tapestry of tradition and innovation, where the past and the future coexist in perfect harmony. Explore the majestic Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, an architectural masterpiece with breathtaking domes and intricate details. This iconic landmark stands as a symbol of peace and tolerance, welcoming visitors from all over the world to admire its beauty. Experience the thrill of Ferrari World, a high-octane theme park dedicated to the legendary Italian automaker. Feel the adrenaline rush as you ride some of the fastest roller coasters in the world, and immerse yourself in the world of Ferrari. Wander through the traditional souks where the aroma of spices and perfumes fills the air. These bustling markets offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the region, with a variety of goods ranging from handcrafted jewelry to exotic spices. Indulge in a desert safari, riding camels across the dunes and witnessing the magic of a desert sunset. The vast expanse of golden sand and the serene beauty of the desert landscape create an unforgettable experience. Abu Dhabi is a testament to the UAE's ambition and cultural richness. The city's skyline is dotted with architectural wonders, each telling a story of innovation and tradition. From its luxurious hotels to its vibrant art scene, Abu Dhabi offers a taste of Arabian opulence and sophistication. The city's hospitality is unmatched, providing visitors with an experience of comfort and elegance. Don't miss the Louvre Abu Dhabi, a stunning museum that showcases art and artifacts from around the world. This cultural gem bridges the gap between Eastern and Western art, offering a unique perspective on global artistic heritage. Dubai, where dreams touch the sky, a city where the impossible becomes possible and where every dream finds its wings. Dubai, a city synonymous with ambition and luxury, is a global hub that never sleeps. From the gleaming skyscrapers to the bustling markets, every corner of Dubai tells a story of opulence and grandeur. Gaze in awe at the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, piercing the clouds with its sleek design. This architectural marvel stands as a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. Experience the thrill of skiing down slopes covered in real snow at Ski Dubai, an indoor ski resort in the heart of the desert. It's a winter wonderland amidst the arid sands, offering a unique escape. Indulge in retail therapy at the Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping centers in the world. With over 1,200 shops, an aquarium, and an ice rink, it's a shopper's paradise. Escape the city buzz with a visit to the Jumeirah Mosque, a stunning example of Islamic architecture. Its serene ambience offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Dubai is a city that constantly pushes the boundaries of innovation and entertainment. From futuristic designs at the Dubai Expo to the luxurious yachts at Dubai Marina, the city is a playground for the visionary. Experience the vibrant nightlife, world-class dining, and endless entertainment options that this city has to offer. Whether it's a gourmet meal or a spectacular show, Dubai promises unforgettable moments. Sharjah, the cultural heartbeat. Sharjah, known as the cultural capital of the UAE, offers a journey into the heart of Arabian heritage. Explore the Sharjah Museum of Islamic Civilization, home to a vast collection of Islamic art and artifacts. Wander through the Sharjah Heritage Area, with its traditional wind tower houses and bustling souks. Discover marine life at the Sharjah Aquarium, home to a diverse array of species from the Arabian Gulf. Relax on the beaches of the Arabian Gulf, or explore the art galleries and studios that dot the city. Sharjah offers a more traditional and family-friendly atmosphere compared to its neighboring emirates. It's a place to delve into Arabian history, art, and culture. Ajman, the smallest of the 7 emirates, offers a peaceful retreat from the bustling city life. Relax on the pristine beaches, where turquoise waters lap against golden sands. Explore the Ajman Museum, housed in an 18th century fort, showcasing the Emirates' history and heritage. Take a stroll along the Ajman Corniche, enjoying the fresh sea air and picturesque views. Discover hidden gems in the local markets, where you can find traditional handicrafts and souvenirs. Ajman is a place to escape the crowds and embrace a slower pace of life. It's an ideal destination for those seeking relaxation and a taste of authentic Emirati culture. Al Quwain, a hidden gem of the UAE, offers a glimpse into the country's past. Visit the Al Quwain Fort and Museum, which once guarded the entrance to the Old Town. Experience the thrill of camel racing at the Al Quwain Camel Racing Club, a popular sport in the region. Discover the natural beauty of the mangroves and lagoons that dot the coastline. Explore the traditional dhow building yards, where skilled craftsmen continue to practice this ancient craft. Al Quwain is a place where time seems to stand still. It's an ideal destination for those seeking an authentic Arabian experience away from the crowds. Ras Al Khaimah, known for its dramatic mountain scenery and pristine beaches, is an adventurer's paradise. Experience the thrill of the world's longest zipline at Jebel Jais, soaring through the mountains at exhilarating speeds. Explore the ancient ruins of Dhaya Fort, perched atop a hill overlooking the surrounding landscape. Relax on the pristine beaches of Al Marjan Island, where you can enjoy water sports or simply soak up the sun. Discover the natural beauty of the Wadi Shah, a valley with natural springs and hiking trails. Ras Al Khaimah offers a unique blend of adventure, history, and natural beauty. It's an ideal destination for those seeking an off-the-beaten-path experience. Fujairah, nestled between the Hajar Mountains and the Gulf of Oman, is an emirate rich in history and natural beauty. Explore the Fujairah Fort, one of the oldest forts in the UAE, dating back to the 16th century. Discover ancient artifacts at the Bitna Fort, dating back to the Iron Age. Relax on the pristine beaches of the East Coast, known for their clear waters and abundant marine life. Embark on a scuba diving or snorkeling adventure to explore the vibrant coral reefs. Fujairah offers a unique perspective on the UAE with its rugged mountains, ancient forts, and pristine coastline. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature and history. No journey through the UAE is complete without indulging in its diverse culinary scene. From traditional Emirati dishes to international flavors, the UAE offers a gastronomic adventure for every palate. Savor the flavors of aromatic spices, fresh seafood, and succulent grilled meats. Experience the warmth of Arabian hospitality as you share a meal with locals. Don't miss out on trying traditional dishes such as makbouz, a flavorful rice dish with meat or fish, and lukaimat, sweet dumplings drizzled with date syrup. The UAE's culinary scene is a reflection of its multicultural society, offering a fusion of flavors from around the world. The United Arab Emirates, a land of contrasts and wonder, invites you to embark on an unforgettable journey. From the towering skyscrapers of Dubai to the ancient forts of Fujairah, the UAE offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses and leave you with memories to cherish. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, the UAE has something to offer everyone. The warmth of the Arabian hospitality will make you feel welcome throughout your journey. Discover the magic of the UAE and create your own Arabian adventure.